Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my rice water for hair growth and to add some extra vitamins in my hair. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I start off with, you guessed it, white rice. I start running water over it, just running water from a faucet over the rice, and I kind of just stir it up, grind it, rub it between my hands, just to kind of get rid of the grit and dirt. I usually do this about 30 seconds to a minute long. I think that's a good enough time because I'm actually going to let that ferment overnight anyway. Okay, and here you're gonna see me start to strain the rice. I just use one of my good old Rubbermaid plastic bowls, and I pour the rice and the water mixture into the strainer. You really just want all of that water. As you can see, it is a little milky white already. It will be much richer in that color once it's fermented overnight. Okay, once you're done straining the rice, that water, rich water, will go in a glass container. Is probably best if you're going to let it sit overnight. I think it would smell up a bowl if you use plastic. So I would suggest that you use a glass container that you can seal. This one I usually use just for my rice water, especially when I have it sit at night. It's milky white in color, and I like to use the fermented rice water because it adds more richness to the water, vitamins and everything in there. And there you have it, all finished. Just use that to rinse over your hair. And here I just wanted to go over what fermented means in case you are not sure. It basically means that it increases the availability of the vitamins that are naturally found in the food. In this case, it's the rice. And lastly, the top 5 fermented rice water benefits: helps restore the pH levels of hair, improves elasticity, it's loaded with vitamin E, it can restore damaged hair, it also treats dandruff. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, okay? See y'all next time.